How to enable the accessibility menu shortcut on your Samsung phone with Android 15. So if your Samsung phone has Android 15 and you want to be able to access this shortcut here like that, here's where you can go to do this and set it up. To find these settings, enable it and customize it to how you want it. Go ahead and use the quick access like this here. And with the new One UI 7.0, you should have something that looks like this and tap on the settings like that. Once you're here now, go down until you reach accessibility. So just go down until you reach this right here. Now that you're here, you're going to look for advanced settings, this option right there. So go ahead and select that option. And once you're here now, you have three ways to access the accessibility settings. So you have this here. And when you select one of these actions, you'll be able to access the shortcuts with the navigation or the floating icon. And the only way this will be present or activated is if you select one of these actions. So whether you choose this here, or you just have a few more other options like this, or perhaps maybe something like this. And just to give you an example, notice that this little icon is now shown down here, which is the little human icon for the accessibility. I'm just fix that there for you. So once I come out of here now, let's just say I'm somewhere else on my phone and I tap on this, I'll get access to these icons here from here on, all right? And that's just one way of accessing the accessibility menu shortcut. So once it's enabled from this mode here, I can either have it with these buttons here like that floating, or the navigation one here. And if you have it on floating, you can choose the size of it and have it fade in when not in use and the visibility. You can also access it the other way. So say for example, you're not using these touch buttons down here, you're using it with the swipe gestures. So you want to make use of the volume keys here. You have the side and volume button. So that's the power and the volume up button. You'll press them down together to get access to these here. So make sure you have one of these selected to get access to either one of the toggles there. And again, just as an example, this would be it here. So now you can access it with the buttons here if you have that, or using the volume up and power button, like a single press would bring it down, and then hold it down for 3 seconds. So it's going to tell you here that you're going to use when press the side and volume up buttons at the same time. So you're going to do this here like that. And then you'll notice that this is going to prompt you for the accessibility option here, and you'll press use. And then every time you do it, you'll get access to the shortcuts, okay? And you can always go back to accessibility and make use of that or changes. And I would always recommend making sure you have the accessibility as an option selected, so whenever you use this feature, you can access it. And it would be the same for this here, the volume up and down, except you're gonna hold down the volume up and down buttons to access the shortcuts. And that is that, like and sub. If you don't like them, by the way, you wanna turn them all off, just make sure you come back here and you reset it, and that'll disable it. Same with this one here. You go back to the actions and reset it, and that'll disable all of them, and then you wouldn't have it enabled. Like and sub.